Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2025 Model Y. Full wrap with the Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. And that's all we did to this. We did a paint correction, decon paint correction in that order, inspected it, then prepped it for our install for the paint protection film. No window film at this point, but what we'll show you is how we do the Model Y or any of our vehicles installation, but specifically the Model Y, the Model 3. Until they change these door handles, it's common for most installers just to leave a gap around here of the pocket. It looks not so good, but we're able to wrap that in so there is no line. This door doesn't even look as if it's wrapped because of my proprietary system to wrapping these. It's a system that we developed here, and it helps us get everything perfectly done and wrapped as if it was never touched. So when you purchase your vehicle and you look at it, you like what you see. Unfortunately, with paint protection film, there can be times with an installer where they would just leave big gaps, 1/4-inch gaps, crooked lines, and when they cut the film, they'll cut your car sometimes. Keep in mind, there are installers that are good at what they do when they cut. I'm not saying everybody, but there are times where an inexperienced installer may cut the clear coat on your car. Moving forward on this one, again, making it look as if nothing happens here. This hatch is all rolled into the glass. The A-pillar gets done all in one strip. This molding comes off. It's real simple. And we go all the way back. Everything looks just great. So, I mean, the car looks as if nothing was done to it. It's a paint protection film to cover the clear coat to protect it from getting scratched, the clear coat or the paint. So we want to emulate the best we can that surface without making it look as if there's an aftermarket product over it to protect it, and that's what we've done. Now, there are some areas where you can't achieve one full piece, and that's the mirrors. This is all covered in one. It stops here, I'll show you. It's all one sheet, and then I wrap it around this edge. We used to leave a line here, but then we thought about it and tested it, so it holds. And we have done the mirrors in one piece, but they're gonna lift. Remember, the film has memory, and it likes to retract back to the flat state the way it's manufactured on a roll. So you got to be careful and know what's going to last tomorrow, speaking the future. So the mirrors, when we do them, usually what we'll do is we'll put another piece in here on stealth wraps and things like gloss wraps. We just put the piece on the outside. The doors, your pillars, all your panels with edges like this, all these trim pieces, they're just clipped on. It's real simple to take them off. Your doors, figuring out a system to keep these wrapped in, it looks perfect. These moldings come off easy enough. Wrap all that in. So it's nice not to have any lines because you have 100% paint coverage. You have no chance of damaging the edge of the film or compromising it in any way. So wrapping a full edge is the right way to do it. It's the best way to do it. Unfortunately, where this fender and bumper meet, there's an edge here. I wrap the fender in, but I can't get both pieces. So there's a little edge right there. I've never had those compromised. They get heated and some other things we do to keep them down. But everything looks really good. Everything's fully wrapped in. The car looks fantastic. This toe plug, we wrap the plug itself, the cap, and then the bumper wraps underneath, and then the cap goes on. So sometimes there's an oblong line with some installers. We don't do that. So there it is, folks. 2025 Tesla getting soon going to be the Juniper. I'm sure it'll be out soon, but there it is. If you're looking for a wrap that doesn't compromise the look of your car, Clearbrook, North Dallas, give us a call. I'm Brent, 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. You can text both of those. Leave a message if I don't answer. We're always busy, but I do get back to people throughout the day if they leave what I need. And there you are, clearbrooknorthdallas.com. Like us, follow us, that'd be great. And watch for our next video. Have a great day.